Hi dear students, welcome to my PPT presentation on the topic cyclic groups. Example problem. Find all the generators of the cyclic group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 under multiplication modulo 7. Let G is equal to set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 be a cyclic group. Since G contains 6 distinct elements, then order of G is equal to 6. Here, identity element E is equal to 1. We know that A power n is equal to E, that gives order of A is n, where n is the least positive integer. Here 1 power 1 is 1, that gives order of 1 is equal to 1, since E is equal to 1. 2 power 1 is 2, not equal to E. 2 square is 4, not equal to E. 2 cube is 8, 8 by 7 is 1, where 1 is the remainder, 180 is divisible by 7. Since G is a cyclic group under multiplication modulo 7. That gives order of 2 is equal to 3. 3 power 1 is 3, not equal to E. 3 square is 9, 9 by 7 is 2, not equal to E, and so on. 3 power 6 is 729, 729 by 7 is 1, where 1 is the remainder, when 729 is divisible by 7. 3 power 6 is 1, equal to E, that gives order of 3 is 6. Similarly, 4 cube equal to 1, that gives order of 4 is 3. 5 power 6 is E, that is order of 5 is 6. 6 square is 1, that gives order of 6 is 2. Here, order of 3 is equal to order of 5 is equal to 6, which is equal to order of the group, order of G. Therefore, 3 and 5 are only two generators of the group G. Hence completed. Example problem. Prove that any cyclic group of order 6 is isomorphic to Z6, where Z6 is the set of all residue classes modulo 6. Let G be a finite cyclic group of order 6 with generator A. Since A is the generator of G, we get order of A is equal to order of G is equal to 6. Generator order must be equal to the order of the group. Since order of A is equal to 6 gives A power 6 equal to E and A power n not equal to E for 0 less than n less than 6. 0 less than n less than 6 means n takes the values 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Suppose A power 5 is equal to E, we get order of A is equal to 5. Order of A equal to 5, this is observed. Since A is the generator of G, then order of A must be equal to the order of the group. Order of the group is 6. Now we define a mapping f Z6 to G as f of n is equal to A power n for 0 less than n less than 6. This is denoted by equation 1. Clearly, f is a mapping from Z6 to G. Now we prove that f is an isomorphism from Z6 to G. First one is f is 1, 1. Suppose f of n is equal to f of m for n comma m belongs to Z6. Since n belongs to Z6, we get f of n is equal to A power n. M belongs to Z6, f of m is equal to A power n. Since f of n is equal to f of m, that gives A power n is equal to A power m. That gives n is equal to m. Clearly, f is 1, 1 mapping. Second one is f is onto. Here we observed that order of Z6 equal to 6, Z6 contains 6 elements, and order of G equal to 6, G contains 6 elements. That is, order of Z6 equal to order of G is equal to 6. And F is 1, 1 mapping from Z6 to G. F is 1, 1 mapping from Z6 to G means distinct elements in Z6 having distinct images in G. Clearly, F is onto mapping. That means every element of G, that is codomain, having pre-image element in domain Z6. Therefore, F is onto mapping. Third one, F is homomorphism. Let m comma n belongs to Z6, that gives m plus n addition modulo 6 belongs to Z6, where Z6 is a group satisfying closure property. Now, f of n plus m addition modulo 6 is equal to A power n plus m addition modulo 6, since using 1, f of n is equal to A power n. Here we observed that if n plus m less than 6, we get n plus m addition modulo 6 is equal to n plus m. That is equal to a power n into a power m. If n plus m greater than or equal to 6, we write n plus m addition modulo 6 is equal to n plus m minus 6. That is equal to a power n into a power m into a power minus 6. Here 6 by 6 is 0. The remainder 0 when 6 divides 6. That is equal to a power n into a power m. Therefore, f of n into f of n. Here, the operation in G is dot and the operation in Z6 is addition modulo 6. Therefore, f of n plus m addition modulo 6 is equal to f of n into f of m. Clearly, f is 1, 1, onto and homomorphism from Z6 to G. That gives f is an isomorphism from Z6 into G. This concludes that Z6 is isomorphic to G, hence proved. Another problem. Write all the generators of the cyclic group Z25. Since Z25 is a cyclic group of order 25, that is Z25 has 25 elements. Order of Z25 is 25. A cyclic group of order n has pi of n generators. Here n is 25. Pi of 25 is pi of 5 square. That is equal to 5 square minus 5 is 20. The total number of generators to Z25 are 20. These are the numbers. These are the 20 numbers which are relatively prime to 25 and less than 25. If GCD of Mn or greatest common divisor or highest common factor of m and n is 1, then we say that m and n are relatively prime numbers or co-prime numbers. That is, there is no common divisor to m and n. Here, these are all the numbers which are relatively prime to 25 and less than 25. Suppose 8 and 25. There is no common divisor to 8 and 25. They are relatively prime numbers. Similarly, 9 and 25 are relatively primes. 11 and 25 are relatively primes. Therefore, the total number of generators to a cyclic group Z25 are 20. These are the 20 generators. Hence completed. Another problem. Write all the subgroups of the group Z24. We know that Z24 is a cyclic group of order 24 and order of Z24 equal to 24. The elements of Z24 are 24. The positive divisors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. These are 8 positive divisors. That is, 1 divides 24, 2 divides 24, we get remainder R is 0. Similarly, 24 divides 24, we get the remainder R is 0. The subgroups of Z24 are SAND 24 by 1 is SAND 24. SAND 24 is equal to SAND 0. We get the remainder R is 0 when 24 divides 24. Since Z24 is a group with respect to addition modulo 24. This is the trivial subgroup of Z24. SAND 24 by 2 is SAND 12. SAND 12 is also a subgroup of Z24. SAND 12 means SAND 12 is the set of all multiples of 12 forms a subgroup of Z24. Similarly, SAND 8 is a subgroup of Z24. SAND 6 is a subgroup of Z24. SAND 4, SAND 3, SAND 2 and SAND 1 are subgroups of Z24. Here, SAND 24 by 24 is SAND 1. SAND 1 is the generator of Z24. It generates the entire group is equal to Z24, which is the trivial subgroup of Z24. These are the 8 subgroups of the group Z24, hence completed. How to find total number of subgroups to a given group? Consider a group Z24, order of Z24 is 24. That gives the group Z24 has tau of 24 subgroups. Let n be the given number. It can be expressed as n is equal to p1 power alpha 1 into p2 power alpha 2 and so on, pn power alpha n, where p1, p2 and so on, pn are prime numbers. Then we write tau of n is equal to alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 and so on, alpha n plus 1. Since 24 is equal to 8 into 3, that is equal to 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. Here 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Then we write tau of 24 is equal to 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, that is equal to 4 into 2 is 8. A group of order 24 has 8 subgroups. Try to find the subgroups of Z36, Z81 and 36Z. Important problem. Write the order of an element 5, 6 in the group Z15 cross Z10. We know that Z15 is a group of order 15 and order of Z15 equal to 15, and Z10 is a group of order 10, the order of Z10 equal to 10. All the elements of Z15 cross Z10 are the ordered pairs. Here 5 belongs to Z15 and 6 belongs to Z10. The order of 5 in Z15 is equal to 15 by the GCD of 15 and 5. GCD of 15 and 5 is 5, that is equal to 15 by 5 is 3. Order of 5 in Z15 is 3. Similarly, order of 6 in Z10 is 10 by GCD of 10 and 6. GCD of 10 and 6 is 2, that is 10 by 2 is 5. So order of the element 5, 6 in the group Z15 cross Z10 is equal to LCM of 3 and 5. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Therefore, order of 5, 6 in Z15 cross Z10 is equal to 15. Try to solve the following examples. Important problem. Write all the generators of the cyclic group of order 8. Consider a cyclic group of order 8. G is equal to set of A square, A cube, A power 4, A power 5, A power 6, A power 7 and A power 8 equal to E. Here G contains 8 distinct elements. Then we write order of G is equal to order of A is equal to 8, where A is a generator of G. Given that A power 8 is equal to E, that gives order of A is equal to 8. Since A power n is equal to E gives order of A is n, where n is a least positive integer. Since order of G is 8, then G have pi of 8 generators. Pi of 8 is equal to pi of 2 cube. 2 cube minus 2 square is 4. 4 generators. Now we find the 4 generators in G. A square whole power 4 is equal to A power 8 is equal to E. Since A power 8 equal to E, that gives order of A square equal to 4. A cube whole power 8, that is A power 4 whole square equal to A power 8 equal to E, that gives order of A power 4 is equal to 2. A power 5 whole power 8 is equal to A power 8 whole power 5. Interchanging the powers, we get A power 8 is equal to E, that gives E power 5 is E, that gives order of A power 5 is 8. A power 6 whole power 4 is A power 24, that is A power 8 whole power 3, that is equal to E cube is E, that gives order of A power 6 is 4. A power 7 whole power 8, that is equal to A power 8 whole power 7, that is equal to E power 7 is E, that gives order of A power 7 is 8. Here order of A is equal to order of A cube equal to order of A power 5 is equal to order of A power 7 is 8, which is equal to the order of the group. Order of G is equal to 8. Therefore, A cube, A power 5 and A power 7 are 4 generators of G. This means a cyclic group of order 8 have 4 generators, hence completed. Thank you all for listening to me so far.